the Clark.
We watched Wike insult Ijaw people. That will not make us have any issue with Ikwere people. We have them as friends. We respect their views. We respect their disposition. We know this man is just a fight alone, fighting the last fight. That is why he's amassing so much energy, putting everything into play, insulting everybody, trying to bring down anything. As a drowning man, he's drowning. Wike had dared us. Some years ago, he said, thunder, fire, Ijaw. I will send thunder to him. Because Ijaw nation knows the origin of the spirit of thunder. Since that time, we sent thunder to Wike. Look at him. Look at his physique. Does it look the same? Thunder is tormenting Wike now as we speak. The thunder is sent to us. We have sent it back to him. And it's tormenting him seriously. Let him send another team. I will send back to sender. We are peace-loving people. Where were the grandfathers of Wike when Ijaw elders fought for the independence of Rivers State? President Tinubu has the choice to choose between Wike and Ijaw nation. Let him be encouraging him to mess up himself in the public. Let him encourage him to be insulting people. But should the otherwise happen, they should not hold the leadership of the Ijaw nation responsible. And that is why he wants as many structures as possible to fall and die with him. We shall help him. He's frustrated and getting so desperate because the political economy of Rivers State is slipping off. Wike will not win. Government is not about individuals. One person cannot be more powerful than an institution. That is the statement we are making. We have not seen any error or crime committed by sin. And that is true son of the Ijaw nation, the INC shall apply every legitimate effort to support and defend our son. We have told Simlaye, follow the path of peace, be respectful. Don't behave like Wike, who will not even respect somebody like Clark. Somebody who just died, and you are referring to Clark as if it's his mate. Clark should be Wike's grandfather. And when a man does not have respect for elderly people, you know that he has gone bananas. Somebody who has not turned into an ancestor, you are casually referring to Clark. Let society judge who is.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Professor Benjamin Okaba, the president of Ijaw National Congress, or INC, talking about the relationship of the Ijaw with Nyesom, the former governor of Rivers State and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, in the light of the recent development where he challenged the Ijaws, saying that heavens will not fall if an Ijaw son, Simi Fubara, is impeached. What you are seeing, these reactions you are getting from the Ijaw leaders, is like what the revered author Chinua Achebe wrote in his masterpiece, Things Fall Apart, where you have a proverb that said that he who fetched ant-infested firewood had invited lizards for visit. That is what is really unfolding. Nyesom, and the eyes of the Ijaw people, has taken his determination to impeach Simi Fubara beyond Fubara. He could have restricted it on Fubara, but it's like he was offended that federal government and Tinubu, President Tinubu, is not buying into his impeachment gambit, because they know the Ijaw nation have warned or has warned that they will not tolerate their son being impeached because in their own understanding, their son have done nothing wrong. And you see how far the man had, Professor Okaba went. He went very personal, talking about how the Ijaw nation that in the past, that it was like reminding Nyesom to remember the past. That when he said that thunder fire Ijaw, he just sent thunder to him, according to Okaba. And he's claiming that thunder messed up the life, has messed up the life of Nyesom, and was asking us to go and look at Nyesom's physique. Me, I don't know anything about that, but it shows you the level of anger in the Ijaw nation. He was boasting that the Ijaw nation understand the spirit of thunder, how it operates. When he said that they sent thunder back to him. It's only Nyesom that can confirm whether he has any health challenges, and that health challenges is related to the god of thunder sent against him by the Ijaw nation. I think Okaba was saying this in a way of saying, don't try us again. Don't try us again. Don't mess up, don't mess with the Ijaw nation. And it's not only Nyesom that Okaba was warning. Okaba was also warning President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because he believed that it is Bola Ahmed Tinubu who is enabling him to say all the kind of things he's saying. And he said that very soon, Bola Ahmed Tinubu may have to choose between the Ijaw nation and Nyesom. And I can tell you for free, when that decision to choose between the Ijaw nation and Nyesom will come, I don't think that Tinubu will hesitate to choose the Ijaw nation. Because the truth of the matter remains that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the last thing he will want is anything that will cause crisis in Niger Delta. Because already the economy of Nigeria is in dire straits. They cannot take any shock again. And I keep reminding people, one of the things that crippled the economy of Nigeria when Buhari emerged was when he tried to mess up with Niger Delta. And Niger Delta militants began to bomb oil pipelines. I can tell you for free that if they investigate that thing very well, it's likely to be Ijaw youths, mainly, because if you look at those who constitute the militants who are enjoying amnesty program, most of them are of Ijaw extraction. They were the well-known militants. As I speak to you, I don't know any Ikwere militant. I don't know any Ikwere militant that is in the league of Tompolo or Asare Dokubo and those kind of people. I can't remember anyone that is well known. So the idea that Tinubu will have to choose a weekend when push come to shove, I don't see that happening. I believe that he is going to choose the Ijaw, and that's why the minister should be careful how he goes about this Ijaw matter, because the Ijaws are not taking it lightly. They are offended the way that he talked about Edwin Clark. And you know that Edwin Clark had been one of the major critics of Nyesom since this crisis started in December 2023. He has written open letter, he had done all kinds of things to tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to stop Nyesom from interfering in the administration of Simi Fubara. Now he is late. So the Ijaw nation are incensed that Nyesom talked about him allegedly, casually. Like Okaba said, casually, he ought to talk about him with reverence, according to them. So the Ijaws are angry. The Jaws are agitated. I think those of them who are pushing for Simi Fubara to be impeached, they better watch it. And the Ijaw nation have said it, that they don't want Fubara to be impeached. And President Bola Tinubu body language, the last time he spoke with Pandef and other Ijaw leaders, also indicates that unless, if after speaking with the Niger Delta elders and Pandef, he went behind and then was saying a different thing to Nyesom. Because even I found it strange that after President Bola Tinubu had a meeting with the Niger Delta leaders and particularly mentioned Pandef to work and ensure that Simi Fubara implement the Supreme Court judgment. The next day, Nyesom granted an interview condemning Pandef that they are not reliable. And he was saying that he was open to impeachment of Simi Fubara. In other words, his view is in contradiction to the peace that President Bola Tinubu was talking about when the elders met him in the presidential villa. So that is really troubling. So unless the president was saying a different thing in the open and saying another thing at the back, but whatever may be the case, the president may have to make a choice. And like Professor Okaba told him, he have to choose very soon between the Ijaw nation and Nyesom. My thinking is that when push comes to shove, if Tinubu is to choose between the Ijaw nation and Nyesom, he will choose the Ijaw nation. Already, many Ijaw militants, ex-militant leaders, Ijaw youths, they have been saying that why there is peace is because they have respect for Tinubu. And if the thing gets out of hand and their son is impeached, that respect may be pushed aside. And something that could disrupt the free flow of oil which this country needs for stability may be disrupted. Nobody wants that. That is why, in my thinking, I believe that the president should do the needful. Encourage Simi Fubara and the pro-Nyesom lawmakers to make peace, and also encourage his minister to toe the line of peace. And also for the minister to know that the Ijaws are not taking his comments about the Ijaw nation lightly. And he has to pacify them for peace to reign. Because right now, the Ijaws are angry. They say they sent a thunder before. They can still send it again from what they are saying. I think the minister should look at that and do the part of peace so that everyone will be in the same scene. And peace will be restored in Rivers State. That's my take. I don't know what you think about Okaba, Professor Okaba's anger, the way that Nyesom talked about the Ijaw nation, and his claim that they sent on that Nyesom can mess up his life. How true do you think that is, or he's just making mouth? Do you think there's any truth in that? Has Nyesom ever complained that he's not feeling fine, or that his health, that he has health challenges? I've never heard anything like that. But Professor Okaba has said it. Perhaps he has seen the man much more closer than those of us who are watching from afar. Whatever is your position about this matter between the Ijaw nation and Nyesom, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.